Hello, welcome our The Best 5 channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show some of the best panini press which are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. Let's go start. Number 1, Cuisinart GR4 Newtons 5"-1 Griddler. Highlighted features: 5"-1 design griddler offers versatile cooking capabilities, visible indicator lights and adjustable temperature controls. Plates made from die-cast aluminum with a coating of Xylon. Function selector integrated drip tray. Removable grill plates make it easy to clean. Dishwasher-safe plates. The Cuisinart GR4 Newtons 5"-1 works as a contact grill, full and half grill, full and half griddle, and panini press, so right off the bat you know that you're getting yourself a versatile cooking system. Cuisinart is known for delivering high-quality products every time, and the Cuisinart GR4 Newtons 5"-1 Griddler is no exception. The GR4 Newtons features a robust stainless steel frame that's been built to last, along with a sturdy handle for the panini grill, a nicely designed floating cover to adjust the thickness of the food. This panini grill also features adjustable temperature controls that comes with indicator lights, so you know exactly when your meal is prepared. This also avoids burning the bread. Pros: solid construction, free from PTFE, up to 5 cooking options, easy to use, perfect for panini making. Cons: needs butter or cooking spray so the food doesn't stick. Number 2, Hamilton Beach Electric Panini Press. Key features: locked lid, indicator, keeps panini warm, capacity for large sandwiches. Anything with gourmet in the title is sure to attract those who consider their sandwiches a step or two higher than your average white bread and filling variety. That being said, it's still an affordable option, and an awesome choice for anybody who needs a quick sandwich fix on the go. This doesn't need to be solely paninis, either, and you'll be able to grill any kind of sandwich you like with the floating press lid. The cool two-touch handle ensures safety, which is perfect for groggy, early morning sandwich making. The whole thing just looks stylish, too. Hamilton Beach Panini Press Gourmet will fit comfortably into any kitchen, and can stand upright when you're not using it to save space around the countertops. It cooks quickly, ensuring any lingering hunger will be quickly dealt with. While there's no built-in timer, we can just about look past that. We're sure you won't be walking away from this good-looking grill for too long, anyway. Pros: upright storage to save space, easy to use, heats quickly. Cons: no built-in timer. Number 3, George Foreman Multi-Plate Panini Press. Highlighted features: PTFE and FA-free plates, cool touch release feature, advanced ceramic coating on grill plates, digital control panel, floating hinge for cooking a wide range of foods, 500 degrees searing burst feature, removable ceramic plates. One thing's for sure: beautiful things happen when you put bread into the George Foreman GRP 4842P Multi-Plate Evolve Grill. This 3"-1 panini grill system offers great range of cooking options. You can also cook some amazing chicken, burgers, steaks and veggies with ease. The George Foreman GRP 4842P Multi-Plate Evolve Grill features a 500 searing burst, which is an extremely high temperature that this particular grill has been designed to reach in under 90 seconds. So, you wouldn't want to be anywhere near the handle while it's warming up. There's also a digital control panel that tells you the cooking time along with the grill temperature. Another great design feature of the GRP 4842P is that all the control buttons have been conveniently placed with the grill exterior, making it easier to clean. The cool touch feature makes the grill easy to handle, and easy to clean. Pros: 3"-1 grill offers multiple cooking options. Comes with a muffin tray and deep baking tray. Super versatile. Cons: removable grill plates aren't easy to clean. Number 4, Breville BGR 820 XL Smart Grill. The Breville BGR 820 XL Smart Grill uses a technology called Element IQ. This technology works with heat sensors embedded in your grill plates to regulate cooking temperature. By making smart calculations, it distributes heat so that you get even results, every time. The Element IQ also reduces the time required in preheating. Just place your panini, and the grill takes over. There's a drip tray below that collects excess oil and a display that shows you your current cooking mode and temperature. Versatile, this panini press can also be used to sear meat, make pancakes and even eggs. If you need more space for your barbecue searing or sizzle, open the cover to a 180-degree flat mode. This grill cooking plates are made from cast aluminum coated with titanium-infused quantanium. This gives you a superior non-stick surface. The housing is stainless steel, while the handle is made from Evercool die-cast material. Pros: automatic, even heat feature, reduced preheating time, drip tray to collect excess oil, non-stick, Evercool, ergonomic handle, dishwasher safe, 6 adjustable height settings. Cons: the non-stick coating comes off after a while, not suitable for heavy use. Number 5. George Foreman 5-serving removable plate panini press. Do you love grilled sandwiches for breakfast? Can't your kids live without crispy waffles dipped in chocolate? George Foreman is one of the most respectable and reputable brands making quality grills and kitchen appliances. The 5-serving GRP 472P panini press and removable plate grill comes with 3-1 functions. It serves as a waffle maker, panini press and a griller to meet all your cooking needs. You can always get well-cooked grilled food with its 500 sear burst feature. It has also get dishwasher-safe plates to save a lot of time for you in scrubbing. It has ceramic non-stick coating which needs less butter and oil, so it is easy to clean up and healthy for cooking. You can easily adjust the temperature from 325 to 400 degree Fahrenheit with buttons. Pros: dishwasher-safe removable plates. 3 cooking modes make it very versatile, easy to clean and healthy with non-ceramic coating. Cons: small display, small cooking space. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, so that you don't miss any of our videos, and make sure enable notification bell icon and check the description below for links.